front of me is INFINIX Hot 50, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Finally, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. Now, if you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it by holding it and using pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the left, swipe it to the right, or hold it and use the delete button. You can also use this pen at the top right corner, choose whatever you want to from your clipboard and manage those two options over here. Pin, or if some pin is pinned, unpin, and delete. Last but not least, to disable clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!